is a multi-break. So what we do here is we establish the stars, because the stars in this one are important. The stars then break, become stars, which break and become stars, break and become stars. So we talked about how we establish the star effect with the fingers. And then the breaking up. We'll just keep it there. So you open up, and then keep one there, and then wherever that one is, do a burst from there, and then another one from that burst, and then burst from that one.
Yeah. So you're not able to represent all the stars bursting, but at least it gives a sense. Okay, this is the trajectory of one. It goes out, it breaks open again. Those go out, it breaks open again. Yeah, and then each time when they break, if you can kind of give it a punctuated, so because they burst open, right? It's going to explode open, so you can just give a bit of a tap.
Yeah, these examples aren't really giving you the sense of the power because they're not playing at speed, so they are kind of opening gently.
Okay.
Yeah. So.